Tonight, the spirit of the Kababajihang Surugon 2026 shines brighter than the Pacific sun, fueled by the gratitude that runs deeper than our streets. To our pillars of strength, Governor Lyndon Barbers, wife Madam Joyce Barbers, Congresswoman Bernadette Barbers, Congressman Ace Barbers, I love you, Kuya Ace, Char. I love you, Gogo. And of course, my favorite mayor, Paul Dumlao. And all the mayor of our province, salamat Karadjaw. Your responsable, sincero, likod sa may baruganan na serbisyo is the bedrock of our progress, the steady hand that guides our Surigao dreams. To the Rainbow Connection family, Rainbow Connection Core Group, Rainbow Connection Butterfly, and Rainbow Connection Executive, Maestro Randall Roaya, Teacher Rax, thank you. You are the bridge builders, and to our sponsors, thank you. You turn vision into reality, coloring our journey with hope and unwavering support. And to the heartbeat of this land, the Surigaonons, kamo ang tinuod na kusog. Kamo ang garbo ng probinsya. In your smile, we see the future. In your unity, we find our power. Sa ijo hunot, iabante namo anamo pasalamat na dako. Our voices rise as one, from the mountains to the shore, bound by a love for Surigao forevermore. Maradjaw, Karadjaw, Surigao, good night sa ijo hunot.